Hello friends, welcome to Tech Jasprit YouTube channel, and today in this video I will show you how you can add music to your Instagram post. So friends, keep watching this video. Friends, first of all we have to download the KineMaster app. So go to your Play Store app and download KineMaster. As you can see, it is already installed on my phone. So I will open this app. And here friends, we have to create a new project. So I will click on this plus button, and here we have to select 9:16 screen size, and here we have to select the image or video file that you want to add to your Instagram post. So I'm going to select this image, and after that click on the tick button on the top right side of your screen. And friends, this is the image I want to add to my Instagram post. And now friends, we have to add music file to this image. And as you can see on the top right side of the screen, there is a circle and there is a music or audio icon. We have to click on it. Here you will get the list of MP3 files that are saved on your phone. You can select the MP3 file that you like to add to your Instagram post. And friends, due to copyright issues, I'm going to add a copyright free music from the YouTube library. So let me download the music from the YouTube library. And friends, this is the YouTube library. So I'm going to download any MP3 file from this website. So now the MP3 file is downloaded. So let me add that file here. And after selecting the file, click on the tick mark on the top right side of this app. And as you can see, the music is now added to this post, and here we can adjust or cut the MP3 file according to our image or video file. So friends, to cut the MP3 file, you can drag this handle left or right, and what you can do is scroll where you want to end the music. For example, I want to end the music here, so I will click on this music file and you will see some options. Now scroll down and here you will see trim and split. Click on it, and here you will get two options: trim to the left or trim to the right of the playhead. So I will select trim to the left of the playhead, and here you can see the file is now trimmed. Now I will adjust the MP3 file according to my image. And as you can see friends, now the image and the MP3 file is added to this project. And if you want to add some stickers or any image, you can do so here. Just click on this layer icon, and here you can add media, effects, overlay, text, handwriting, and many more. For example, if you want to add text, click on this text button, and here you can see you can add text. For example, and when you are done, click on OK button, and now you can drag the text anywhere on this image, and here you can change the font of this text. So I will select this font. Here you can see, and I can also change the color. So we can also add animations to this text. For example, in animation, so I will select slide the right, and I will select another animation, that is out animation, and that will be slide left, and I will expand this text to the whole image. And now we will play this file. I will reduce the size of this image, and this looks good. And when you are done with the editing part, click on this share button on the top right side of this app, and now select the video quality for your project. I'm going to select 720p, and after that hit on the export button. And now friends, we have successfully added music to the image. Now we will exit this KineMaster app and open Instagram app. And now we will upload the newly created file as a post on Instagram. As you can see friends, this is the image we have just created with KineMaster with music. And here you can add filters, trim the image file, and you can also select a cover for your image. And after that, click on the next button. This is the normal procedure. Write a caption for your image and click on the share button. Now the image is uploading on my Instagram account. And now let's go to my account, and as you can see here, this is the post and it has music attached to it. I hope friends that you are able to understand my steps easily. So friends, this is how you can add music to your Instagram post. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, or you can subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video.